Hey, this is BremSter, and today I'm planning on recording another jigsaw puzzle. Today I'm planning on doing Floral Reflections by Ravensburger. I'm going to try and throw an image of the jigsaw puzzle up here. So this one I think is going to be a little bit easier than the one I did last time, but we will find out. I think the color banding is going to make it a bit easier to solve. It became very clear after my first one that I do not have the right equipment to do this, and that equipment is not going to be coming anytime soon. So I'm going to just do what I can and then see what equipment I can scrounge up from people or whatever as I go along and see if I can improve it. The audio quality is always not going to be great because I'm just recording this with my phone. I don't have my studio microphone, anything out here. Maybe I can get a laptop or something that I can do better with that in the future or whatever. I just need to figure out how to do it. But for now, I'm just going to have fun solving puzzles and do the best I can for you. Yeah, hopefully this will all work. So I'm going to set up my overhead camera, same as last time, and start on Floral Reflections. So here's the puzzle. I've actually, this time, I've already taken the puzzle out of its shrink wrap and out of the bag so that I can get rid of all of the puzzle dust. So here's the 500-piece puzzle. So yeah, let's pour that one out. I will put the box there where hopefully both the camera and everyone can see it. So mixing all this one up as much as I can. I'm wanting to try and figure out how to make all this work. Hopefully the audio from the overhead camera won't be too bad. I'm still trying to figure out how it's all working, as I said. Anyway, I'm about to drop all the audio out because I'm about to start sorting. I'm going to try and sort by these colour bands and see how we go. This time I'll try and remember to pull out the edges. So yeah, about to go into that one of those weird time lapses. See you on the other side. Okay, so I've just finished my sorting, which I may have gone overboard. So my plan was to sort by different things. So I sorted by colour. So you can see I've got the red, the orange, the yellow, green, blue, and indigo or violet. And then I also sorted out the edge pieces. They're the corner pieces at the top. These are what I believe are the water pieces. I've obviously gotten this a bit wrong. But that's okay. And these, I believe, are the flower pieces. So I've got flowers, water, edge pieces, and within their colour bands. And I think that will allow me to progress. So the plan now is to basically continue the puzzle, put the edge together, and then I'm planning on working Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. So we'll see how that all goes and see if I can put this one together. So back to the time lapse.
So I've been finding this puzzle way harder than I thought it would. The yellow section took me much longer than I thought it would. I still haven't found a couple of pieces. I don't know where these pieces are. I've quickly scanned in green and haven't found them. They'll show up. But some of these pieces, I just had to do a search through green to try and find them. But this has been a lot harder than I thought. Yellow took me about twice as long as I thought it would. So I'm definitely not making the progress I thought I would, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So I'm going to take a break to recharge my battery, and then I'm going to come back and yeah, I'm going to push through with the green, and the two blues, or the blue and the violet, and that's going to be the tricky bit of this puzzle. So yeah, back soon. Okay, while I was away getting the battery charged, I got some little extra sorting done by the cat jumping on the table and doing some mixing around with stuff. So, yay! So I'm about to move on to the green pieces and see how I go. So I'll cut into the time lapse and we'll see how all of this goes.
so that's the green section done. That went in much smoother than the yellow. I actually thought the green was going to be harder, but that went in quite quickly. I still haven't found this missing yellow. There it is, right here. So I just had to look over and that went straight in. So now I found the missing yellow piece. And yeah, so I'm over halfway done with the puzzle now. So now I'm going to move on to these tricky blue pieces. I'm not sure if I'm going to finish the edge first or if I'm just going to move on. I think I'm just going to move on with the blue and I'll leave the edge until the end. So yeah, the green came together really well and quite smoothly. I think it was because of all of this tricky contour in the yellow and all of this tricky blending, whereas in the green it was actually quite clear to see what was going on. Sorry, I'm not displaying that well, but yeah, so now I'm onto this blue and we'll see how that goes. So the blue went much better than I thought it would. I made a lot more progress. I thought I would have a lot more problems with the mixing the purple and the blue up, but I actually did okay with my sorting on the blue and the purple. I did pull a couple of pieces out of the purple while I was going, but mostly I'm only missing these two pieces, and I had a couple that I grabbed while I was going, these two. But yeah, that went pretty well. Like this might be one of the ones that I was missing. So that one just clicks in there, and that's one of them. And can I see the other one? It'd be in here somewhere. Is it? Ooh, it's tricky. Is it that one? No. I feel it's got to be one of these. I'm sure that one of you watching can see it almost immediately. The other thing is possible when the cat jumped up on the table, the cat knocked it onto the floor and it's actually now a missing piece and it could be under the fridge or something, which would be terrible, but it could have happened. We will see how we go. I'm hoping I don't end up with a missing piece. But I'm now going to move on to the purple and we will see. Okay, so this is the last piece that I've got, and that goes in. I'm missing this piece, and I'm not sure if it's because when the cat jumped up on the table, and I know the cat jumped up on the table while I was recharging my battery because I came in and some of the pieces had been sorted. So I don't know if it's on the floor somewhere. I will look for it and see if I can find it and try and put it in the puzzle. So I found the piece. It was on the floor under the sofa, so the cat had definitely decided that the jigsaw pieces were worth playing with, but I did find it, so now I can put the piece down and I can slot it in, and if I can slot it in, and that is, I think, what was it, Floral Bouquet? Floral Reflections. So this is Floral Reflections, a 500-piece Ravensburger puzzle that I have now completed. So that was a lot of fun, and I've probably slid way off the center of my time-lapse camera. Oops. But that's been done, and yeah, all well and good. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed what's been done, and yeah, I'll try and do more of these, and I'll try and see if I can improve the quality of my production. And as always, good luck with your solving.